This is my one favorite stuff. Favorite like doing exercise like, and I have my two hands, and this one I put on up and down. This good for bone structure and of course ating stomach at saka sa ating right range. Kung ganun naman, halika join ka na. Yes, magandang morning po sa inyo lahat, and today very special day sa mga mo sa araw na ito, mahal kong kaibigan, dahil araw mo, kwento ng buhay niya, kwento ng buhay ko, at kwento ng buhay natin, ang Java, your story, my story, and our story. The overseas contractor is story. Yes, andito tayo sa gym for today mga mahal kong kaibigan. So if you are new in my channel, subscribe ka na, comment, exercise tayo. This is my favorite and the best release stress. Yes,
now there's nowhere to hide since you're pushing my
cardio na pala ako, yun bike. So ito pampalaki ng dito ba sa balakang ba para lumaki na yung balakang natin ba. Samahan mo ko for today mga kong kaibigan. Yes, I count these ones only like maybe 6 yung kaya, yung naturally heavy. Yes, yung kaya nila kasi naku, nag-video balikan yung good kaya kasi yun doon na kailangan dapat yung kita yung dito. Ayan, para kita yung ano natin pag down natin. Sa pelvic bone and sa bone structure. So dito naman tayo sa kabila. This is my favorite part. Para sa this is my favorite part. Sa pelvic bone and of course sa ating tiyan din, of course sa ating bone structure, sa ating healthy bone structure. Yes, and I'll do that like 3 times, but when I count it's only like 8 counts. Yes, maganda yun dito sa ating tiyan ba. the one is really decent. That's my favorite part from the shoulder at saka sa tricep at saka sa biceps. So, siyempre nakagawa na lang tayong content and of course, pwede tayo mag-relax, pwede tayo mag-emote, pwede ako makapagpunta lang sa after I have a coffee. Every time I do like stream, workout, and work, I have my American coffee. Diyan nakikapagkapi lang actually. Meron silang free coffee dito. Sa parang hindi ko natandaan kung kailan huling umibig ako. Hindi ko doon na yan. Because all you do is work. We don't need to waste time. And of course, now is good. Paano makipagsasabi kung siya at saka ang love life. Ang taga, nakapagtong good. So choose tayo sa kung bakit. Favorite like doing exercise like, and I have my two hands, and this one I put on up and down. This good for bone structure and of course ating stomach at saka sa ating right range. Kung naman ka, halika, join ka na.
Well, that's practice making me get.
Like careful kasi pag masakit ang ating shoulder and of course masakit ang ating diba this one like a little bit like careful and isama natin natin relax and you don't need to forget drink the water hindi tayo mag-ihay hindi mo ngayon mo sa isang litro you just always have to isipin water this is good na gawin na yung kaya I'm thinking about how ang content gagawin before today. So yes, the best way is stress. Exercise or workout. We can do like outdoors or indoors. Di ba mas nabibigyan? Oh my god, this part is my favorite too. Maybe we'll do like outdoors or indoors. Pwede natin gawin to. Bawit ulit din. Imagine kung hindi ko siya tayo. Pero okay lang. The most important lang ating exercise. Yes, hindi huwag natin kalimutan mag-upload. Kahit kung yung tayo lang, gano'n marunong tayo ka-busy. Gano'n sa po, which is contract worker, nakamata ako. Yes, so, hindi nasabi everyday. Salamat na pagkita ko, pressure ko lang. And of course, mag-ibigay siya pa sa inyo. Just like this stuff. And I do this sometimes like this one is 8 times. As a power. Yeah. As a button. Habang nangyayari pa. Huwag mo sa subscribe. Napakasalamat pa pag nangyayari ka. And this one is really good. And then this one, sa abs. Pero wala tayong abs. This one is 8 times. We can do an upload. And there's the ako. Lamit pa. Pwede ko mag-emote. Pwede mo siya pumasang. Wala ko pumasang mo siya. Wala. And then this one is really good. This one is 8 times. And this really good starting abs. At sa ating, what do you call it? Sa ating body shape. Diba? It's easy. And then this one. We can do this outdoors or indoors too. Yes. Naglagay sa sapa. baka ikay kapatid ng palangka. Oh, this one is 8. And this is good. And the last one is squat. Yes, ito the best. This one, I do this like 1 minute or 2 minutes. It depends upon the situation. And sometimes when we cut and the hardest is too much and put it down and feel better. At pwede mo ulitin ulit like 2 times. I bet you babata 25 years. Really. And then we can do emote the water. Water is good for dehydration, antioxidant, and of course, anti-deodorant. But anyways, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Mr. Queen Angel. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama niyo sa akin po sa ating 200,000K for our way to 300,000K for our 30 million in power in Korea. Thank you so everyone. See you po on our next vlog. Subscribe, comment, and channel. Tama po sa inyo lahat.